Hello, I am Emre from Huawei Developers and welcome to Huawei Tutorial Series. Today, I'm going to show you the features of Huawei Graphics. Huawei Graphic features are 3D Modeling Kit, Accelerate Kit, AR Engine, Computer Graphic Kit, GameTurbo Engine, Scene Kit. Each feature of Huawei Graphics useful for design and build better applications. We will talk about this feature generally. 3D Modeling Kit provides three capabilities: material generation, 3D object reconstruction, and motion capture to help with creating 3D content more efficiently at a lower cost. Material generation. Integrate this capability into your app to enable your user to convert images with just one click into physically based rendering PBR, texture maps, diffuse, normal specular, and roughness map. These texture maps, supported by mainstream rendering engines, can bring a lightening and shading effect which resembles that in the real world. 3D object reconstruction. Integrate this capability into your app for image data collection and upload, model download, as well as 3D object preview, enabling your user to construct 3D object models from images even on mobile phones without hardware such as RGBD or light detection and ranging sensors. Motion capture. This capability quickly and accurately calculates the 3D coordinates of 24 key skeleton points of the human body via the RGB image or continuous video image shot from a common monocular camera. Accelerate Kit provides two capabilities: multi-thread lib, which enables multi-threaded acceleration, and Perf which offers performance acceleration. Multi-thread lib is located above the kernel in the OS, available as a set of C language APIs. Most of current Android devices run a multi-core system. To give full play to the system, programs that can execute multiple tasks concurrently are preferred. Use cases: concurrent execution of task, serial execution of task, synchronization of task. Perf is a performance acceleration module of Accelerate Kit. It provides APIs over hardware capacities to set the display frame rate and key threads, improve understanding of the system status, and achieve high resolution, low power delay. AR Engine is an engine for building augmented reality apps for Android smartphones that allows your app to bridge the virtual and real worlds for a brand new visual interactive user experience. Currently, AR Engine provides three types of capabilities: motion tracking, environment tracking, and human body and face tracking. Thanks to these capabilities, AR Engine is able to better perceive real-world environments in building a hybrid world in physical and virtual objects interact seamlessly and enable your app to provide for seamless virtual-physical convergence. For details, you can watch AR Engine session. Computer Graphics Kit offers cutting-edge computer graphics capabilities, including CG rendering framework, plugin system, and GPU extensions. It allows developers to tap into hardware performance potential and makes the development of high-quality apps easier. GameTurbo Engine allows game apps to closely collaborate with the operating system for improved gameplay experience even with restricted system resources. Specifically, the app provides elaborated game scene configuration and network information for the system dynamically adjust resource allocation, and the system provides its status information for the app to dynamically adjust the game load. A game app with GameTurbo Engine integrated can provide rich, real-time, and accurate data for system, so that the system dynamically adjusts the resource allocation for a better gaming experience. The system can provide system status for a game app has GameTurbo Engine integrated so that the game app dynamically adjusts the game load to ensure a smooth gaming experience. Scene Kit is a lightweight rendering engine that features high performance and low consumption. It provides advanced descriptive APIs for you to edit, operate, and render 3D materials. Furthermore, Scene Kit uses physically based rendering PBR pipelines to generate photorealistic graphics. Thank you for watching. For more detailed information, you can visit developer.huawei.com.